Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you some mystery boxes from an Etsy store called EZSTOCK. Now, I purchased from this store before, but they've made many changes to their mystery boxes since I last purchased my mystery boxes from them. They have very specific categories for each and every single box, so you know exactly what kinds of things you can expect in your box. I did go ahead and buy a size small in all of the boxes that I could find a size small in. If I could have found a size small in like the adult male one and all these other various different categories they had, I definitely would have bought those because I'm just curious to see what you get in these things. So each and every single box that I'm going to show you today, I paid $3 for. Now, 2 of them, I purchased 10 in total. 2 of them I'm going to unbox with my nieces, so I will not have those ones on my video because those are a kids girls box. So I told them I would go ahead and unbox those with them, and I bought one of each. Well, I bought 2, I'm sorry, of those boxes so they could each have one because they're twins and they want to be able to do their own box, right? And 2 of them I did already unbox because I was originally thinking that I was going to do 2 on each video, but now that I realize how few products you get in these boxes, because they are only $3, guys, you can't expect the moon and the stars, I'm going to go ahead and just do them all in this video. So the 2 that I've already unboxed, I'm going to throw them in this video as well, but I'm going to have different hairstyle and all that kind of stuff because I did those on a different day. All right, guys, without further ado, let's jump into these things. Okay, guys, before I get started unboxing these, I also want to mention that this company, I don't know if it's their daughter, their granddaughter, whoever it is, they have a YouTube channel, and it is called Haley's Fun Game Ideas. Oh my gosh, you guys, she's just the cutest darn thing, and she has some really good game ideas. So if you're having like a birthday party or a family fun night or just having some friends over and you want to have some game ideas, I highly suggest checking out her channel. She's got a lot of really fun, cool ideas for games. So again, that was Haley's Fun Game Ideas, and I will have everything linked in the description box below. All right, guys, so I have 6 boxes that I'm going to unbox with you right now, and then I have 2 that I'm going to tack on to the end of this video, and then we'll close everything out, and I'll let you know my opinion of all of the boxes. Okay, so I have a Disney one, a toys one, a mix one, makeup and hair accessories, adult female, we're going to do that last, and then a jewelry run. Okay, so let's go ahead and start what I consider to be safe. They come in these super cute Chinese boxes. How cute are these? And they put question marks on them, and then they labeled each box because I bought a plethora of different boxes. So it's nice to know what I'm opening here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just tear right in, guys. I mean, let's see what's in here, right? Okay, so this one is the toys one. Let's see what kind of toys they sent to me. All right, so we have a Test Your Intelligence. It's a metal puzzle. So, you know, here, let me show it to you guys. So this is cool and everything. I love this kind of stuff, but I feel like this should have been in that cerebral brain one that I unboxed, and you guys are going to see that later in this video because I've already unboxed that one, and I feel this would have been a great thing to put in there. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. So then we have... Oh, it's explaining what this is, right? The flying umbrella. Okay, so here's this thing right here, and it's called a flying umbrella. So let me just show you the little paper that I saw that was in there with it. So that's what it's called. Okay, and it shows me how to do it, but I don't want to waste time doing that for you guys. So what I'll probably do is I'll just tack in some video of me messing with this if I can figure it out. So there's that one. And then this looks like it's, I don't know, a slingshot, right? Boop. Yeah, it's a slingshot. So that's cute, right? Okay. And then, oh, they do have it in here. Please support Haley's YouTube channel, Haley's Fun Game Ideas, and totally this and that. She has 2 channels. I will link both of them in the description box below. Let's go ahead and open this right here. Boop-a-da-bee, boop-a-da-ba, boop-a-da-boo. What is happening here, guys? Is this a top? Ooh, it lights up or something. I don't know, guys. Okay. I don't know. It definitely does something. If I can figure it out, I'll put some video in of me figuring this out. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Yeah, oh, it has this with it too. So I'm assuming everything kind of goes together here. Yeah, and you do something with it. I'm really not sure what, but it keeps turning. Oh my gosh, am I like setting myself up for... Woo! Oh, that's cool. I shook the camera and everything. That is fun. Okay, so there's that. I will try to show you guys what that did, like maybe in a clip, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, here's the mix one. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Ooh, this video is actually getting longer than I thought it was going to be. Maybe I'm going to just do a few of these and then do some on another video. Because I thought that I would blow through these, but I'm not. So maybe we'll do 3 and then, I don't know. I'll figure it out because this video is getting longer than I expected. Okay. So let's move on to, oh, this is like one of those bun thingamabobbers. So this is a mix box, so it could be anything. This is cool. I do use these. I've never seen one like this where it has like the 2 like that. So, I mean, yeah, I'll definitely give that a try. That's cool. All right, and then we have a finger holder. Oh, it's Hello Kitty. Oh, how cute is that? That is cute. So this is for your phone. That is adorable. Yes, please. That is super cute. I will most likely definitely use that. That is really cute. Okay, and then we have some Pokemon cards. So there's that. My nephew is into Pokemon, so I'll just pass those off to him. So that's cool. All right. That was that box. And now we're going to move in. These boxes were all $3 each. I just want to stress that. So you can't expect the moon and the stars for $3, okay? I did pay shipping, but they did combine the shipping. So I think the shipping for all the boxes that were sent to me was just like $18. Okay, so here's a Disney box. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what's in the Disney box. See what's happening here. All right, so we're gonna start with, I don't know who that is. Does anybody know who that little duck is? That's cute. It's like an egg thing. I mean, it's cute. I'll definitely give it to like one of my nieces or whatever, but yeah, I don't know what Disney that is. So, oh, this is cute. Oh, look at this. A Mickey Mouse keychain and that, you know, I'm sorry. I hope you guys are getting this. But that faux or that sequence that goes up and down, that is cool. Changeable sequence. I think that's what that's called. This is really cute though, guys. Okay, that's cool. All right. And then the last thing in here. Oh, it looks like it's a slap bracelet. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to take it out. Sorry about all the noise. Look how cute that is. I guess it's supposed to be like Minnie Mouse, right? And it's a slap bracelet, guys. So you just... right onto your arm. How cute is that though? You know what I'll use this for? This is cute. I will most likely, I sew, so I'll most likely put this on my wrist just like this and put the pins in here. Yes, I would definitely use this for myself. Why not? Okay, guys, that was super cute, right? All right, guys, that was those 3 boxes. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and tack on the other 2 boxes that I unboxed because they were kind of kids-style boxes. And then I'm going to unbox these other 3 in another video because this video is getting a little bit longer than I anticipated. So you'll see these other 3 boxes on another video. Let's go ahead and jump into the other 2 that I've already unboxed, and then we'll close this thing out. So we're going to go ahead and start with this Cerebral Brain Teaser box. And, you know, I'm going to slice it open, I think. Maybe, maybe not. And we're going to see what you get inside. Maybe I should cut it open first. I always say that and then, like, don't do it. Awesome. Maybe I should say, hold on 1 second while I open the box. Next time, guys. All right. So I have it opened. Ooh. Little sneak peek. When I open it up, can't see anything. Yeah, neither can I. All right, let's go ahead and grab this first thing up here. Ooh, what is this? All right, here it is, guys. These are brain teaser kind of things. This is a keychain. I am not sure what it is. So I like this kind of stuff, though. So let's... what do you do, though? I mean, I don't know that that's a brain teaser. It's just, unless you want to, like, play what's underneath each one. You know what I mean? Like, it's a keychain. I don't know about it being a brain teaser. like I said, unless you're supposed to play with it and put like an object underneath each one of these and say, hey, where's it at? I don't know. But there's that. You know what I mean? Again, guys, this is only $3. I mean, you can't expect the moon and the stars. Okay, so this is a puzzle eraser. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. That's super cute. I think the girls will like that. So that's adorable. I would definitely give it to one of the girls. And the last thing in here, it's a fidget spinner. So I don't know that this really is a brain teaser kind of a thing. But, I mean, it's cool. My son does like these fidget spinners. That's a good one, though. It's a good weight one. So that's what you get in this one. 3 items for $3, guys. Again, not bad at all. I mean, I think it's definitely worth the cost of $3. So I'm going to go ahead and open this next box, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this was the Kids Boys mystery box. This one was $3. Here's a little sneak peek of what you get inside there. So let's go ahead and start opening it up. Oh, this is fun. My son will like this. This is a keychain, and it's like one of those squishy type keychains, and it's French fries. How cute is that? So it's a keychain, guys. Let me show you that. And like I said, it's like one of those ones that you like squeeze. So, hey, that's fun. I mean, maybe I'll keep it for myself. I don't know. But that is super fun. Okay, and then we have, oh my. Oh my. This is for boys. The Kids Boys one. I'm just saying. So you get some handcuffs. Awesome. I don't know what I think about that, guys. So we have handcuffs for little boys. I'm going to take a peek at these. I just have to. Okay. So they're like, you know, they're really, you know, handcuffs. I'm just saying. Oh, here we go. Let's take them out of here. Okay, so here's the little keys for your handcuffs. And here they are, guys. I'm not sure what I think about that for little boys. I guess if they want to play police officer or something like that. But I would be nervous about them handcuffing somebody and then losing these little keys. I'm just saying, that's dangerous. Okay, so the last thing in here is this turbo launcher, a big wheel vehicle series. Okay, so here's the container that it comes in, and you can't really see it, but it looks like, I hope that you guys are going to get this. I can see total glare, but nonetheless, it looks like one of those, what are those things called? Oh, don't tell me what they're called. Monster trucks. That's what it looks like it is, and I'm not really sure what it does, but you know, I'll figure that out with my son. So I think that's super fun. So again, 3 items for $3. That's not bad. I think that is definitely worth the cost of it. Again, I don't know how much shipping would be, and that's why it would be most likely be better if you got like a couple of boxes. And okay, guys, so I didn't think things all the way through when I decided to combine the videos and put these last 2 in at the end, and there's really no transition into my final thoughts. So here's me transitioning into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so all the boxes that I've unboxed so far have been okay. I mean, they're only $3. You guys have to figure, so you can't expect the moon and the stars for $3. Now, the Kids Boy one that I unboxed, I don't know about those handcuffs, guys. I mean, I can just see me giving that to one of the kids to play with. They lose the keys, and then you're going to have to figure out how to get those handcuffs off of the kid. I'm just saying. They're like a metal, so it's not like they're not plastic, like you can just break it off. So, I mean, as a parent, I guess you can hold one key and hide it and give one key to the kids to play with, but I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about that one. I mean, I think it's fun, but yeah. At any rate, the cerebral brain one, I just not sure about that fidget spinner being in there because I feel like that's more of a relaxation therapy kind of thing. Maybe that's where they were going with it. It's not like a brain teaser or a puzzle that you have to figure out. And then the Disney one was super great. I really liked the Disney one. I just wasn't sure about that little duck thing, but that's okay. I'm sure it's a Disney character that I'm just not, you know, aware of, which is totally fine. The mix box was cool. I mean, I think that these boxes were good. They were $3, so I'm not mad at that at all. I was not expecting, you know, excellent things for $3 box. Okay, so just keep in mind that I only paid $3 each for all of these boxes. I definitely think that the value was there, and I got some kind of cute stuff, right? So again, this was an Etsy store called EZSTOCK. I will have them linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Haley's YouTube channel, Haley's Fun Game Ideas. It is so super fun, guys. I've been on there. She's got a lot of great ideas. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I will do the other 3 boxes in another video next week. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Oh. Helps turn the light on to make yourself look somewhat decent. Okay. I mean, it's kind of silly to do several different videos of these very tiny small boxes. Each box that I purchased cost $3. I was good until then. I think I'm derailing though. Hold on. Okay, guys, before I get started unboxing these, I also want to mention that this company also has a YouTube channel. And her channel, okay, how do I, hold on. Right now, and then I have two that I'm going to tack on to the end of this video, and then we'll close everything out. All right, so I'm going to start with these ones. Not start. Oh, it was so good until then. I had to mess it up. Darn it. Okay, guys, so again, I got all these mystery boxes from a company. Yep. Whoop. Awesome. Okay, guys, so again, all of these boxes came from an Etsy store called EZSTOCK. I will have them linked in the description. Boom! We'll just do multi-languages. Why not? We'll probably try some of their other sizes just to give you guys an idea of what you can get if you get a bigger size. They have medium, large, and extra large. So I will go ahead and maybe buy some more in a size. I'm done. It's early and I'm just not doing good. All right, great.